नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के इस रिवीजन वर्क में। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टॉक अबाउट द टॉपिक ऑफ टुडे इज द गोंडवाना लैंड. Gondwana land is the main topic of the major physiographic division which is we studied in earlier video. Now today we will discuss about the Gondwana land. The Gondwana land is very ancient part of our earth. We will found the many features or many areas on the earth of Gondwana land. First of all, I want to clear the parts of India, the physical parts. You have seen your physical map of India. We have discussed earlier. We have some physical features like the Himalayan mountain, the Great Plain of Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra river, and the desert, the islands, and the peninsular part, the plateau areas. These are our physical features of India. Now we discuss the Gondwana land. Gondwana land is a very oldest landmass in the earth. In India, the peninsular part, or you can see the peninsular part in some continents also. So we will found the areas in Gondwana land included. You can see the features of the peninsular part of India. This is the peninsular portion, especially the south region of the India is the peninsular part. Now the question is come here. The peninsular part, I want to tell you the peninsular part, which land are covered the three side by the water or the oceans. We call it the peninsular part of an area of the country. Now we discuss about the Gondwana land included some continents, some countries are here including India. India is the Gondwana land part is this area is the Gondwana land part. Now we will found the Gondwana land in Australia, South Africa, South America, and Antarctica. These are the main areas where we found the Gondwana land. Gondwana land, as we can say, that is the Gondwana land is very oldest mass land on the earth. As one single land mass, the main reason of this land mass is because the Indo-Australian and Eurasian plate collision. When these plates are collision together, we will get a new land mass named the Gondwana land. Gondwana land is a very important land mass on the earth. We will found the collision of these plates. Beside these plates are the functions of the Gondwana land and the types of Gondwana land and the benefits and importance of the Gondwana land we will discuss in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.